How we doing, everyone? Once again, this is David from MediaBoxEnt Blockchain, the lab. This is a lab. And what is a lab? So you know what? We test product before you buy it. So before you buy the product, we just go and test it. Now, David, what type of product you're going to be testing? What is it started first? With the cool thing, it's smart houses. So you got a smart house, or you want your house to be smart. So what we do here, we test. We test from devices, plug, light bulbs, a smart switch, anything that has to do with smart, everything that has Wi-Fi connection, it will connect it to Alexa or either Google Home. So what we do, we teach you how things are connected. So because we do a step higher, we not only test the product, but we let you know how the thing works. Sometimes these manuals don't make sense. So now we started the thing, we try it, and we show you how to work. We do the work for you. So now we just follow the video in 2 minutes. You got this smart light bulb or this switch hook up in your house in no matter of no time. Now, what else we testing? Now, smartwatches too, batteries for cell phones, drums. Hey, you want to fly some drums too? Hey, we have that with camera, no camera. We tested all these things. It's smart toys. Yes, toys have to do some smart. And also stuff for the kitchen. Stuff for the kitchen that is smart tools, some not too smart tools. Some toys, anything have to do with this technology. And sometimes not technology. We're trying to get tools to us. So maybe in the future when they have tools, audio systems, antennas, TVs, radios, cooking devices, cameras, camera filters, add-ons for cameras. Even CD player. We still use CD players. MP3 player, spice camera, everything. I don't know what else. Anything that requires 5 volts or some type of electricity to work, we're going to be testing. No more of those clacking ones, they're old school now. Anything that has some type of power, we're going to be testing here. So what is nice is, before you buy the product, you just come to my channel. You just join the channel, and now you say, I want to buy, I'm looking for some LED lighting. Oh, also, light LED lighting in the channel. We have a lot of LED lighting with review, all kind of LED lightings you hang it, you put on the table anyway, because today everyone wants these strip lightings and all these cool things to make the house, more happy. So we got a lot of those. So we tested some of the stuff we test required to go under the water. We tested under the water. We live for a few days. I keep the temperature rate, and we're gonna check the wind if it requires some wind. So we're gonna try to get all these tools, all these high-tech tools to be testing the product for you. So before you buy it now, it's good. I invest in that product. If I buy it, will last. How long the battery will last? If they buy a smartwatch, before you charge it, requires 3 days, 5 days. I will let you know. 5 days is the next time you need to charge it. So now what we have is every day at noontime, we have a new test product for you before you buy it. So join the MediaBoxEnt, the lab community, and where we test all the products for you before you buy it.